smoke dabs till my chest is swollen. Whoa.
Yeah. Easy. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. Cocaine bleeds out my nose. LSD ecstasy feels like I float. Stop for a moment. Codeine, promethazine, poem. Leaning over like I'm broken. My brain is drained of serotonin. I'm still high when I wake up in the morning. Rip off the covers, I feel claustrophobic. Rip off my shirt, now I feel like Hulk Hogan. This isn't wrestling, but this rock's enormous. How am I ever expecting to snort it?
I do drugs to solve my problems. I do drugs to solve my problems.
I do drugs to solve all my problems. Now I'm looking like a goblin. What's poppin'? That's what I ask them. At the rave with a handful of acid. On my acid, I'm plastic, that's random. See a dude doing backflips, that's Brandon. What's happening? Bad habits.
Don't panic.
Pass me the J and the juicy acid. I'm a juicy J and groupie addict. Kicking it with bitches doing beauty pageants. Easy come, easy go. You need napkins? Just keep laughing. Jerry Seinfeld, way too high now. Amy Winehouse, laying in my house. Just keep spazzing. Poppin' ibuprofen, thought that I'd be joking. Need another hit, but I don't know where the torch is. Need another bitch, but I want it from the porn biz. Got too many problems, I ignore them. Got too many lines, try snorting. I'm a downer on the open. Crushing them down, start smoking them.
I do drugs